What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. My name is Antonio, and today's video is going to be about my very first try on doing a CMYK print. So stay tuned to see how it comes out. Now, this is how it's going to go. Today's Monday, and I already found an image to do my test print on my very first CMYK print. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the colors using some actions. I forgot exactly where I got it from, but it's going to be with Photoshop. So I'm going to separate those, and tomorrow, which is going to be Tuesday, I'm going to print my films, and then hopefully on Wednesday I'm going to try to expose my screens here at home. And then I'm not really sure on what day I'm going to do my actual print, because I don't have to go to the shop of the maestro to do the print, because here I don't have the inks to do a CMYK print, nor do I have enough squeegees to do the print. That's why I'm going to go down there to do it. So I'm not exactly how this video is going to go, but I'll figure it out. Alright, so here I'm on the computer, and I'm going to try to figure this thing out because I totally forgot how I did this last time. So you're going to follow me as I figure it out, do my separations. And this ain't going to be no tutorial. I'm just going to see how I do it, just so you can get a realistic of how I go through my process of learning this. Because honestly, I would have waited to do this print a lot longer. But since I want to do this video for you guys, it's helping me to finally go for it. And the image that I chose is perfect for this example, because it's time for me to do my first CMYK print and see how it turns out. Because I need to step up. I need to step up my level on this whole screen printing thing. And just a while back, not a while back, like I think it was the day before yesterday, I was talking to one of you guys on Facebook who is just starting now, and they showed me an example of their first shirt, and I was impressed because one, they started with the multicolored design. Complicated for me, because when I started out screen printing, I started using only blank ink on white t-shirts, something very simple, using stencils. And I was impressed by this person who was just starting out the whole learning of screen printing, and it shows a very complicated design. And that's what made me decide to finally go to my CMYK, because I need to step up. Because a lot of people, you guys who are just starting out, you're not going with simple designs, you're going for something very complicated with 2 colors, 3 colors. So I'm glad I did this YouTube channel, because it's pushing me to go for my it's pushing me, how do you say it? It's pushing me to do things that in reality I would have been like, I'll wait later on. But anyways, let's get started on this. Alright, amigos, so here's the image with the clock. Like I mentioned, it's time for me to do my first CMYK print. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is create a new document, because the film that I'm using is 11 by 17 because it's tablet size. That's the measurement we're going to use. And they always say keep the resolution at 300, so 300. Okay. Now, further, I'm going to copy the layer to my new document. Okay. And that looks right about to me, so. But I'm just going to crop the little edges, because I don't like the film to actually be, I don't like the print to be touching the edge of the actual film. So I'm going to reverse that. Reverse, delete. Delete the background. I don't really know if that's necessary, but let me know, you guys. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to CMYK. Now the actions that I'm using, they're Flex CCR. You can find this. Oh yeah, that's the author of the photo that I'm using. Decided to give him credit. I'll leave a link to his portfolio. But anyways, here's what I'm using, Easy Art. I will also leave a link to that because this is the software I'm using. Now, if you don't want to buy the extra software, they actually give you freebies. For example, the halftone and the option to have stretch marks. I just haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, the halftone, get that. It's free. You could basically, my bad about that. Go back to Photoshop. Once you separate your channels, you could have the actions for the halftones. They'll give you the option for like 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And you don't really need to have their software to separate the colors. You can do this on your own with Photoshop. We just turn the grayscale and click one of those, and I'll change it to the OPIs for you. But anyways, let's go back to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is add up, cancel. Turn this to CMYK. Limit recording, not that one. Here, CMYK for light shirts. Play. Alright, so here I added here's the cyan, magenta, the yellow, and the black. Okay, so now for the cyan, I'm going to go to the Easy Art halftone. Now remember, the halftones, they're free, so make sure to download that. And I did a test a while back. Let me see if I did this on a picture of my daughter, just to test out the LPI to see which one worked best for me. I tried the 30, the 35, the 40, and the 45. And I forgot which one came out perfect because I rechanged the screens. But I'm pretty sure it's between the 40 and the 35. But I'm going to do 40 to see how it comes out. So let's click on the cyan. Click play. Continue. And the cyan. Down there. That's separated. And if you zoom in, you can see the halftones right now. You see? The halftones. Look at that. They have the registration mark. I don't know why. This is my first, not the first. I recorded earlier, but I realized that the registration marks weren't adding. But now they're adding themselves, so I don't know what's up with that. But now let's go to the next color, magenta. Again, 40 LPI, click play, continue, magenta. Okay, there. So now I have the four colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to export these to PDF because I'm going to take this to Office Depot, not Home Depot, like I messed up on my last video. But yeah, because when I go take them there, they require me to take it to in a USB drive and PDF format. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to export this. Not export, I mean save as. Cancel. Okay. Desktop. buildup. Where is it? And there, I'm basically done. This is what I love about these actions that I downloaded, because it speeds up the process. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to tomorrow print these films out, and hopefully I could expose my screens. And I'll make that to a part 2. This is going to be a part 1 just so I could make the whole editing a lot easier for me, because I know that if I try to cram all this into one video, for example, how I separate these colors, the exposing and the printing, it's going to take me a long time to film, especially if things don't go right. And also for the editing, it's going to take me a long time to edit all that. And by the time I upload it to YouTube, it's going to take me like probably like a week. So I don't want to take that long. I don't want to go that long without uploading a video. So it'll be easier for me to do in parts. Also for you guys, because I don't want you guys to sit back and watch a half an hour video. So yeah, it's going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be about how I expose my screens. Part 3 is going to be the actual printing. So make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when I upload part 2. Follow my Instagram, like my Facebook page, and follow it too. That way you'll be updated with my process of this video. So in the meantime, I'm out.